Hey, what's going on, crew, OG crew, and all the others out there in YouTube land? It's Nate. I got a Bowman Mega Box. Got done with work today, kind of early. Stopped at Target. Saw they had a couple Bowmans, so I grabbed one of them. I think there was 4 or 5 left on the shelf. Just gonna open up Mojo packs. There's the 2 Mojo packs. I'll leave the other ones in there for later. See what we got here. Oh, it's so hot out, they feel about the same. That's all right though. Let's see if we can pull anything good out of here. There's Waldo Cabrera, Mark Vientos, Riley Green, Vladdy, home run derby champion, and Axel Sanchez. So those are there. Second one here. See if we get a hit. Looks like we have a hit in this one. Might be one of the inserts, but Jacob deGrom, Marco Luciano from the back. We'll go with Shohei Ohtani and Tristan Casas. And this one is a Sights on September insert, and it is going to be Mr. Elly De La Cruz out of 199. Kaboom! That's a nice one. Elly De La Cruz. Nice. All I have with me is Card Saver top loader, so I'll go in there until I get home, till I get a thicker top loader. But nice. Elly De La Cruz. I'll take it. Number 180 of 199. That'll work. Hey, thanks for stopping by. Till next time. Catch y'all later.